Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you 3 Lego Minifigures Series 24 blind bags. Alright, go ahead and open one up, Hayden. You're hoping for the carrot guy? Okay, well, let's see if I get him. I'm hoping for the T-Rex guy. Let's see what the first one is. Oh, it's the Paperboy. It's the Paperboy, Hayden. Alright, on that checklist, it shows the soccer referee, a robot, a brown astronaut holding baby Benny from the Lego movie, a carrot costume guy, a medieval archer with her own bird, T-Rex guy, can't tell if that's a troll or an orc, an animal caretaker with a koala, 50s, 19, a pottery maker, an opera watcher, I think. Nice job, Hayden. A little girl playing on a wooden horse, and as you saw, the Paperboy. Hold the phone, please, Hayden, and, another Paperboy. Alright, Hayden. Looks like you get a duplicate, looks like you get one after all. They can't see him. Please be the T-Rex guy or something new. Okay, cool. I got the pottery maker. Alright, here she is. Bye, tubers. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and in the comments below, tell me which one of these minifigures for Series 24 is your favorite.